We're gonna unbox and test out this amazing pepper spray gel, and it's not just a pepper spray, it's 3 in 1. The first one, this pepper spray gel that shoots up to 12 feet, and the second one, it comes with the laser light that shoots up to 130 dB. It blinds your attacker eyes right away. And it also, number three, it comes with the sound, the alarm sound that people can hear it up to 1,000 feet. So if somebody's trying to attack you or rob you, this is what you need. So I got these because I have a teenager daughter and I have a wife. So the area, it's getting dangerous all over the world right now, and you have to protect yourself. And it's unfortunately we have no choice. So the good thing about this, it comes with a rechargeable battery. If you see, it comes in two color, white and black, just for optional, which I love, by the way. Look at this, beautiful. And it comes with the pouch, the case, and all of them come with the pouch and the attachment and the instruction how to use it. And you could refill this, plug it into charge because of the sound of the battery, and you get it on. And right here you have a on and off switch right here. Look at that. So that's the flashing lights, that's the thing. Okay, so safety tip, keep this away from kids. This is not for kids. Don't make sure your kids get this. Do not get this in your eyes. If you're gonna test it out or spray it, always spray that way. Wear a goggles if you need to. But if you're in an attack, all you have to do is either you could press the alarm or you could flash the light or spray them, which I'm gonna show you in a second. And right here you plug it in, USB charger. You could charge it on your computer, you could charge it on the wall. For price and details, check in the description box. And now we're going to test out the sound, laser light, and the pepper gel. Change my location just because I'm going to be making some noise and testing this out for you guys to see. Good thing about this, just pop it right here and you could see that's the bottle right here. You could refill these bottles. All right, always remember that. And then you just close it back up. Pretty cool, man. I gotta tell you, I love this one. All right, so if you look right here, there's an on and off button. Once you put that on button on, you're gonna get the flashing lights and you're gonna get the sound come out from the bottom. Whoa, piercing sound in my ears right now, super loud. Wow. All right, so if you do decide to put this on in your house, make sure you don't do this next to kids or animals, only if you have to for an emergency. That sound is loud and that laser light is pretty bright. Wow, my ears could literally like feel it. This is insane right now. And then what do, you lift that up and you press this to spray. I'm gonna test it out on a cardboard box. I'm a couple feet away and I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so I just put a cardboard box there and we're gonna test this out. If somebody's attacking you, what you could do is literally like put it on and then spray. This is a triple threat, basically. Yeah, alarm, everybody's gonna look around you. And the next thing, you got the flashing light in his eyes, and then you're gonna pepper spray him. You're not getting robbed today, baby. All right, let's go. Ready? Oh! Oh! Man! That's insane. The force and the gel. I mean, I sprayed the liquid pepper spray before and it did not shoot like this one right now. This gel is powerful. Overall, this is amazing. It's not, too big or too small. It's just perfect. It'll fit in your purse. It'll fit in your, hang in your jacket, especially if you're jogging. You could fit on the side. With the keychain is a plus. And if you're wearing white clothes, you could always blend it in, or black in the night. No one sees what you're having. And this is amazing. This, you guys would not believe how much people get random attack, especially we're living in the United States of America here in New York, and company like this providing this is amazing. This is a good company. I actually thankful for a company like this to keeping our children, our wife, even anyone safe, because sometimes there are people just come try to steal your dog while you're walking with your dog, which is insane. But so using one of these will help save you, or even save somebody else's life that's getting attacked right there. Check in the description box, get your hand on these. It's worth it. We give a thumbs up from Product Zone. And I gotta tell you, you guys know I do honest review. I test my product out and I show you right there before you buy it. This is hands down one of the best right here. The pepper gel, the laser light, and the sound, definitely amazing safety for defense. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More upcoming videos on Product Zone.